info.
Yeah, because of the road, they might have trouble seeing the line. For everyone out there, it's not advisable to drive in any highway from Regina to Muscio if you're planning to go out. The time now is 2:41 a.m. We came from Muscio to celebrate Christmas Eve, and here is supposed to be the highway is 110. We're just running 10 and 11. So really zero visibility. Snow blow really fast. So instead of 110, you're doing 10. So for you guys, has no plan to go anywhere, stay home, be safe. The road condition is very bad, and look at that, something stranded here.
Is he stopped?
Oh yeah, the other one stopped and also.
He stopped. Oh no,
Yeah,
he's going good.
For Nico's drive. Yeah, it's going maybe 5 kilometers per hour. So instead of 110, you do 10 and follow the car in front of you using the hazard light. So
Do I overtake him?
no, this we're almost closing the exit na. So guys, be careful, keep safe, and Merry Christmas to everyone. No matter what, let's continue to share our love and kindness to everyone. Stay home, don't travel, it's not advisable. Look at the road now. 110 kilometers per hour, you have to do it 10 kilometers per hour with a hazard, right? Okay, bye bye, keep safe, and Merry Christmas to each and every one of you all over the world. Chris Garcia, thank you.